On my leak, got the fog machine hooked up to the PCV valve hose going around. When I don't block it, I'm able to see smoke coming from right under whatever this black thing is down up in there. So I don't think it's coming from this thing, but it's coming from down in that direction. See, what is that? See it better right there. I don't think that anything should be coming out of there, down there. And it shows when I don't have this blocked off that you can see smoke coming from the air duct. So that might be my problem.
Huh?
So what is that called?
You can put it like a windshield cover or wiper motor cover.
Oh, just to get to a hose, it's all the way down there. All this gotta come on. Move that off, give us some more room. A little bit more room, a couple inches.
Start putting hands on this guy.
In the process. Just removing this one piece, open up all this room. Move the crossbar out the way, so now you got way more room. Put your hand down there now. First step, this and tape, and we remove the windshield wipers, the wiper cover, crossbar. I'm gonna do the air intake, air duct.
One, two, three. Okay, I'm gonna disconnect this one from here. Okay. Got this hose off.
Is the throttle body supposed to be like open like that?
Yes, like right here.
Yeah, nah, just like a little tiny bit how it's open.
What in it right there on the what you talking right here?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Because that's gonna be the air.
Oh, to let it a little bit of air go through.
Yeah.
All right.
And when you press the gas right
open
there,
all the way up.
that won't open all the way up. Depends how much you press the gas. If you open all the way in, this one it turns like 180 degrees.
And that's electronic, right?
Electronic, yes. Electricity, man, flow milliseconds.
Mm.
When you just press the gas, power come to here. Man.
Throttle body unplugged, unscrewed.
Yeah. Take this off. Okay. Okay. Now. Is it hot, right?
Hmm?
Might be hot. Let's see if it's pressure on the hose. Put in the hose. No pressure. If it's pressure, watch out, okay?
Yes, sir. Body off, got some cooling on, they gotta dry this out. Bottom of it, big deposits, carbon.
So how they say this one piece? I have to press the...
Press in on the black piece that's on it, like the black O-ring.
Yes.
And it said it should go in, and then the hose should slide right out.
Just should slide out, right? Let's see. You know, there's a lot of mechanics right there that they broke this hose a couple times.
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, they say it's brutal. I think the little tweezer, this little piece of work.
Which tweezer?
Like to try pushing on the O-ring.
No, this one it doesn't have an O-ring, but it's almost there.
Oh, block. How the hell do we get this thing off? Yeah. Can't get it off. Red on line, just push down on the black piece and it should slide off, but that's not working. I'll just snap that piece off. Carbon build up. Try some. Finally got the booster, the bottom part of the hose off. That black O-ring is still in there. As you can see, so just as online say, you do have to push down on that black piece, like push it in towards the housing, and it slides right off. I had to keep working on it to get it, but it finally budged. Got that off. As you can see right here, so you can't take this part off without removing the entire supercharger. I kept reading online that everybody was removing the supercharger, My mechanic said he don't know why they doing that. It looks like all you have to do is take off the back piece, which was the windshield wiper guard, the crossbar, and then take out the throttle body. You see, you should be able to get your hand down there. Hey, got that part off, so now doing right here. Don't know if we're gonna use a new brass piece. I don't know how hard that is to get out. That's the old piece. What's that right here? They say once you're taking that out, it's just gonna crumble in your hand, and that's exactly what it did. Crumbled right there. And the brass piece, I don't think there's anything wrong with it, so we might just keep that in there. Plus, it's hard as hell to get out. And the main problem just be this plastic piece that over time the heat from it melts it down, will become old and start to crack up. And that's where your P0171 and 174 come from.
What is my side mirror? My little side mirror. Let's see. I can barely see.
Yeah, that's what one of them little cameras come in handy.
Do you have the flash? Can I use your flashlight real quick?
On there. Move is easy. Yeah, you can feel the resistance on it too. So you can feel the resistance of how it don't move. Like remember the last one was moving real easy.
Move nicely. Very tight, huh?
Yeah.
That already
Clean that up.
missing.
Yeah, I think it was missing too.
Yes. But how did it went missing? You never touch it at all.
I have no idea.
Change that spark plug. This intake gasket.
Yeah, but we didn't take the throttle body off.
Never took throttle body.
Nah.
Never opened this part from here.
Throttle body.
But this one I'm not supposed to do it, so we will see how the car runs after what I'm doing.
Body back on, cleaned as well. Under the throttle body clean. Vans in the shop. We working all cars. Back together, sleeping that off. About to do my little makeshift smoke test before we put the front back on. I got machine down. Don't see nothing coming out. Did it the same way I did. Nope. Everything back on. Except for that. Roll spotter. Car on. No immediate fault codes. Everything's done wrong. We had some coolant smoke come up because when we pulled off the throttle body, coolant hose, coolant went everywhere down there. We cleaned it up as much as we could. The rest of it will burn off. Now I'm about to change my lug nut to wheel locks. The ones I have on it now is pretty old. Pretty much, man, that concludes this video. Hope y'all enjoy. Hope it helped you out. If you own this car, like and subscribe.